If the sound only comes from the headphone and not from the speakers in your Android device, then let us see some ways to try to fix this issue. The first thing what you need to make sure is press this volume up button here and make sure that there is enough volume so that you can hear the speaker making sound. The next thing what you can do is you can simply restart your Android device. So press the power button for some time and then you can select the restart option, and once the Android device is restarted, check if you can hear the sound from the Android device. Also what you can do is, if these are the speakers here on the top, just gently press this speaker part and then try to see if the sound comes from the speaker or not. Now the other thing you need to make sure that is, make sure your Android device is not stuck in the headphone mode. And how you can check that one? When you press this volume up or volume down button here, then you should see the speaker icon here, not the headphone icon. If you see that your Android device has stuck in headphone mode, then what you do is, now you can see there is a hole to put the headphone jack. So what you do is use an earbud and just put inside this hole and clean whatever the dust is left inside the jack, inside the hole. Also you can use a sharp needle and just insert it inside this hole, and gently you have to move that needle inside the hole. Now let me remind you that you have to move this needle gently inside the hole and remove any of the dirt inside. And once you do that one, check if the headphone mode is gone and if the sound comes from the external speaker. Also, if you feel that this problem occurred after installing certain applications, then you should uninstall those applications and check if this problem goes away. Also what you do is swipe the screen from the top and then switch off the Bluetooth to make sure that your device isn't connected to the Bluetooth speakers. The last thing what you can do is you can take your Android device to the factory state to make sure that there isn't a software issue. But let me remind you that whenever you set your device to the factory mode, all the things, all the documents which are present in your device will be removed. So make a backup before you put your Android device to the factory stored mode. So if you want to take your Android device to the factory state mode, what you do is you need to go to the settings, then you need to go to the general, reset and factory data reset. So you will see what happens. All the applications will be removed, whatever the documents and data are there, it will be removed. So if you want to put your Android device to the factory state mode, just select reset, and then once the device goes back to the factory state mode, check if the sound comes from the speaker or not. If none of these fixes this issue, then it must be a hardware issue, not a software issue. In that case, take your Android device to a technician and let them repair it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share this video if you found it helpful. Also click on the subscribe button and hit on the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos for free.